Hi, and welcome back to yet another exciting episode in Robin School of Traders. Today, when taking a class, one of my students asked, Robin, can we find the tops and bottoms? Although we keep on saying in our classes, the tops and bottoms only God can find, or the promoter, the entrepreneur whose company and the script belongs to can do. But that's a good question because we have to find the tops and bottoms, but not exactly the top or not exactly the bottom, but somewhere with 2-3% here and there. So, what's wrong with it? So by changing this question, I'd adapt to one settings. These settings will hit you or blow your minds when we get deep into it. It's nothing but put call ratio, a reware, and anchor wheel. I'm sure we will like this particular video, which works very good in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks with high liquidity, FNO stock obviously. People say it's a contrarian indicator. Yes, it's a contrarian indicator because we are trying to gauge the tops and bottom. Prior to this, all videos, my videos were all in trend lines, finding the trend. And this is something against going against the trend. So we are not talking about something about the contrarian indicator. And I'm sure the data, the screen will hit you in the face. So let's get started and we'll come back to run this whole package. Obviously, we're looking for the sweet spot when you're seeing the tops and bottom with 1 or 2% here and there. So we're looking for the sweet spot. So what is sweet spot? Sweet spot is the spot we define in terms of sales or in terms of cricketing stroke, where the minimum effort we get the maximum results. So we are trying to find an indicator or system or device or system or process or strategy with minimum effort. So what's the effort over? We want a minimum money, low risk, high gain, and low capital, high return. So as simple as that. So this is what? This is nothing but Nifty 50 in 4 hours time frame. And this is what I plotted the PCR. This you will get in trading you free of cost. I've changed few techniques. So I've taken a put call ratio somewhere between 1.2, simply 1.2 and 1.3. This indicator will not give you so many of trades, but whatever trades it will give you minimum 600 to 700. So you got it right. It required a lot of patience, and if gone wrong, you will obviously feel the pain. But with aid of 2 more indicators, the probability of going wrong reduces. But still, there's a probability of getting wrong. What is this? Whenever you see a put call ratio upsurging from 1.2 to 1.3, this is an area where you see some sort of bottom out is happened, and we simply be in the rally and wait for a confirmation and see a lovely upsurge. This upsurge is given in the vicinity of 600 points. You heard it right well, 600 points is upsurge is given. Similarly, when we are looking for a bottom, so whenever the indicator I will go to will be at 0.8, will be the touching crossing point 0.7, we will see for a selling position. So see what I'm adding you. So with this information we had, see right video else. With this information you have, see the number of points you can accumulate. But trading solely this indicator, I don't think is really right tactics. So we implement. Let us see first how the screen look like. It looks pretty good for Nifty. Now people will ask, what is Robin put call ratio? Put call ratio is nothing but a continuing indicator which measures the how much is a put call ratio. How it is calculated? Let us see. It is designed to enable the traders to determine the sensitive sentiment of the option market effectively. The ratio is calculated either by factoring the open interest or given period based on the volume. So generally the PCR which I'm showing is based on open interest. PCR is nothing but total number of put divided by total number of calls. This is the entire number of calls and entire number of puts. Right. It is also calculated by total number of for volume also, but I am talking over here the put call ratio is also open interest. So this is what is put call ratio, as simple as that. So total number of puts by total number of call is, and we just make a factor. So it's called put call ratio. This is a typical example. So what does indicator say? If it is crossing about 1.2 to 1.4, the market is absolutely overbought. So this is a time we try to look for that means the market has made some sort of tops, and we're looking for some sort of indicator or a divergence where we can see the market to come down. One being a neutral, and zero point 0.8 and 0.7. Though the book says 0.8 and 0.7, but I've seen 0.8 to 0.5, 0.6 also. We are looking at the bottom. And over here, we were looking over here in this zone, we're looking some sort of pattern. There is a reversal pattern, a W pattern, or actually inverted head and shoulder reverters, or various pattern. Over here, we were looking curve, head and shoulder patterns, or simple M pattern. Then apart, these are the main patterns. Apart, but we have various patterns to generate. So these 2 points we want. We want something, a data somewhere between 1.4 and somewhere between 0.6. So if we get this data, then this is the calculation choose zone. This is how it's being calculated. It's very simple. Take it in YouTube, you start take it from YouTube. And so you come to it, you can find the same. So how does it work? It's quite simple. In Bank Nifty, whenever you see anything put call ratio going below 0.7 and mark, trying to get in the zone of point, and this is a way with the aid of indicator, we look for a buying position. And any move, guys, in Bank Nifty, any move is more than 1,000 points. So this again, my student, so you have probably how to capture this big moves. It looks very good when other moves happen, but I have never been in the trend of 1,000 moves. You're right. Most of them have not been in the trend of 1,000 point move. It takes a lot of mindset, more of psychology. Same. Now we are looking for a Bank Nifty to touch somewhere between crossing the zone of 1.2 and turning back. So with this solar indicator, we have tested that we can see something reversal is going to happen. And if you at all we are in the call side, we will pay accordingly by trading stop loss or by indicator. By the way, this is a 4-hour time frame. And see when the bottom has fallen, how lovely it forms. And generally it gives some sort of pattern. Either it will give M, this PCR also will give some sort of pattern. Either when looking for a small M, the magnitude is smaller the M, the greater is the fall. And we look, another reshape pattern is this. And for when the PCR in the vicinity of 0.8, we were looking for W pattern, very small W, and or V-shape recovery. So these two patterns, along with put call, along with anchor VWAP and VWAP, let's see how does it look this screen. So how to plot anchor VWAP? Anchor VWAP is a bigger brother of VWAPs. So it will give you, it's very simple, go to TradingView or towards flat fee in every platform. I've taken the latest high and the latest low. So I plotted the anchor VWAP on the high and the low of a candle. Now you can say, Robin, why didn't you go for so much high? So this will be quite redundant data. So you will take the nearby here, the nearby here. I would have gone here, but this was a recent high. This is the recent low. And simply drag it. After that, when I pull a VWAP, see how beautifully it works. So anchored VWAP will be acting as a strong support. So Nifty right now, it crosses this hurdle of 23, 960, 970 kind of thing. Then we are due for a fall. You sustains, then we are due for a rise. This is the power anchor VWAP, and this is a 5 months time. And believe this is PCR. Over here, the PCR will not be working so smoothly because we will not get some swing in data as you saw in 4-hour time. But yes, this will give some sort of reference. So with this reference, so we can make. So what is this chart? This chart is nothing. This black line is an anchor VWAP, extension of the VWAP on our hourly time frame. And this dotted line are the VWAP on 5 months time frame. Such a lovely fall and such a lovely rise we can find out with anchor VWAP and beneath this PCR. Same with Bank Nifty. See, the data was very high, so I had to squeeze the screen. Bank Nifty at 15 minutes time frame. And the same thing I did on anchor VWAP. See how lovely it looks like. Very, very strong support at 51,500 to 51,600 is the Bank Nifty. Results out, then we are due for a huge correction. And it sustains supports, and we are due to upsurge over here. So these are the few data points which will help us. So this video is very simple. You don't need to learn so many of indicators. We have to just see the power of the put call ratio, the VWAP, and anchor. Those who want a detailed video on anchor, VWAP, and VWAP, do subscribe to my channel. Is there free of course, or do call me. I will help. Guys, I'm sure this video will help you because if we create this script only, then also you can have an extra data point to make money. I'm sure you must have read this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and request of hit the bell icon. And if you have any sort of question or query, you can text me or you can call me directly after market. Thank you.